Going in with the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. I love prepping skin with this in particular. Like, before I used to think that it was like Nivea, but now...
I know, it's not.
I don't know, it's just actually not, because when you actually try Nivea, it's not giving the same...
It's not.
You know.
It's actually not.
Now we're going in with the L'Oreal Brow Gel, and this is 24-hour hold.
This is so good, it's so strong. So you do brows first. You're a brow first.
To be fair, I don't actually know why I didn't do brows first. I think I was just like... hesitant, but yeah. Yeah, usually I do brows like before moisturizer and everything, because
really
because then they don't stick down, and like the moisturizer can make it loose. I'm just kind of winging out the eye. I feel like I like shaping the eye with cream contour. I don't know if you do that, but
not normally, to be honest.
Yeah, I love doing that, because at the end of the day the cream contour is already going to be there, so I just like to put it there just to...
Makes sense. I'm just too lazy, but sounds like a good idea.
Like, a lot of people don't actually realise, but brown lip liners can make the best eyeliner.
Really? I've never tried that. So what did you say this was?
This was the Huda Beauty Rich Brown Lip Contour. Now we're using a YSL dark eyeliner, and we're just kind of building that up a little bit, just to make it a little bit darker, add a bit more definition.
So we're like halfway through the eyes, aren't we?
Yeah.
We're going to come back and maybe add a little bit of like shimmer and glitter and like the lashes and stuff in a bit. So now we're just going to go on to the skin.
And we're going to be using the NARS Soft Matte.
Is that peaches and cream brush?
Yes.
Their brushes are amazing.
So amazing. Right? Just using a marshmallow sponge just to blend all of this out. We used a brush already to apply it, but I just feel like this kind of smooths everything. So we're now going in with my favourite setting spray. This is from Tatcha. It's the Luminous Dewy Skin Mist, and I just love kind of using this in between steps. Now we're going in with the Made by Mitchell Curve Case, and this is the shade Light. We're just kind of sculpting out Maggie's face. I'm probably going to go a bit heavier on the bronzer a bit later, but for now we're just very lightly sculpting her face. Now we're concealing. We're using Anastasia Beverly Hills, and we're using
Lancome. Yeah.
So I'm just going in with her shade first. So just before we go in with the brightening shade of concealer, we're going to go in with the blush. We're going in with the Road blush in Piggy. I do like to go in with a bit of a higher blush, typically like under the eye, but it's not giving like pink under eye trend.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like just blending out any other creases. So we're just going to add a little bit of a brighter matte in the corner of her eye. Okay, so we have decided to go in with a bit of a shimmer, just because we feel like the eye looks a bit too plain, and we're just going to go in with the center, so it's kind of like a spotlight look rather than the whole lid. So now we're just going to be adding a nude liner, literally just from the middle of her eye to the end. Now we're going in with a blush. This is Charlotte Tilbury in the shade Ecstasy. I just want to keep that kind of like under her eye slightly. We're still going to be going in with pressed powder as well. We're going to go in with some bronzer. You're just going to kind of put it in between where your contour was and your blush was, just to kind of marry it together, because you want it to kind of blend into one. Like, I don't want to see
no lines
where you're... literally that.
Yeah.
Now we are going in with the lips, and we're using the new Fenty Beauty lip liners, and these are actually smudge proof and waterproof, so I do love them. I'm just gonna go against Maggie's natural lip line. Are you like a overliner but just in the middle of the lip?
In the middle, yeah.
A lot of people don't actually realise how stressful this part is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set your face before adding on the matte lipstick, just that the lip liner at least sets, if that makes sense.
Yeah, okay.
Literally just going to kind of dab it on her lip and add a little bit of your Huda Beauty colour corrector.
Okay.
Just in the middle, just to kind of...
Yeah. Do you want a peach one?
Yes, please. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is just add it to like the centre of your lip.
We're just adding some lashes now, so I think you put 3 on this eye, haven't you?
Yeah, so I used 2 of them. So we've got these are the Kiss Impress lashes, and we use natural and voluminous. So I use 1 long voluminous on the end of her eye, and then 2 natural. Okay, and now we're on our final step, guys, and we are just highlighting. I think we're using a powder highlighter this time, because... No, we are using a powder highlighter this time. Smile. And I like to just go on the apples of your cheek, so that when she smiles, it's just there. We were going to initially go in with liquid, but we thought it just wouldn't match the vibe, so
the makeup is done. We're just going to add some body glow now, and then move on to the hair, jewellery and outfit.
So this is the Refi Body Glow, and it's probably my favourite one. We'll also add some highlighter on top. This is so stunning, and it looks like you're just like a glazed donut, literally.